Hello, welcome back to another GM video. Today we're going to make Kanchipuram Idli. This is the Kanchipuram Idli batter. It should have the consistency like rava, which is here. Can you see? It's like very thick. Anyway, here we have jeera, cashew nut, dried curry leaves, and vermicelli. So we're going to add it into the oil. You can add a little bit of black pepper for flavorings. Now we're going to mix it. Do this for about 1 minute, so until you can see the vermicelli crispy. Vermicelli has been brown. We are going to add it to the idli batter. We also added dried ginger powder and a little bit of salt. Now let's add this. Now I'm going to mix it. After mixing with the tadka, this is how it should look like. Now we're going to apply it with the idli plate. You can either use this idli mold or a small bowl like this. But you have to apply all over it so it doesn't stick to the bowl. Now I'm going to add the batter into this bowl. I'm going to keep that a little bit there. Okay, now we have put it into the bowl. We are going to put it in a pressure cooker. You should put at least a quarter of the pressure cooker in water. Now we have put this into the bowl, put it in a pressure cooker. When you put it in a pressure cooker, put at least less than quarter of the pan full of water. Now we are going to close this. We are going to leave this for 20 minutes. The whistle, it has to be steamed. This is how the idli should look like. It's very soft and fluffy, and I can smell it. It tastes flavorful. I'm going to have a side dish called pudi. You can try with different side dish. Now I'm going to taste it. Very flavorful. All the flavors is coming in. It's very delicious. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the thumbs up button.